guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a little recreation of Normani's makeup for her newest music video for Motivation. And when I saw this makeup, I was like, girl, this is it. Period poo. Period. I've definitely done a look like this in the past. Like, definitely have. But you know what? I don't care. I don't care. Because when I saw Normani with this makeup, it was over. Period. Makeup artist is Grace_Pay on Instagram, or I don't know how to pronounce her last name. I'm so sorry if I mispronounced it. But she actually drew inspiration from Aaliyah's Rock the Boat music video. So I was like, period. Like, we had to stand. We really had to stand. So yeah, it's this little cute blue purple eyeshadow situation, smoky eye, you know the deal. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids with my no filter ColourPop concealer. Palette that I'm going to be going into is my Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to be taking edges, and I'm going to be popping that into my crease and the outer third of my eye, and just blending it up into the brow like always. And now with an Anastasia A5 brush, I'm going to be picking up the shade Credit, which is this dark brown shade. I'm going to go back in with the shade, actually I'm going to go in with the shade Ginger and Edges. And I'm just going to buff any harshness out just to get that color back up in here. I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow. It's going to deepen up the outer third of my eye. Just wing that out. Then I'm gonna go in with what am I gonna use? I literally forgot what I was gonna use. I'm gonna take the shade Wigglies, which is this shimmery purple shade, and I'm just gonna use my finger and just pop that onto the center of the lid here. Take like a shimmery blue shade. Just like a random shimmery blue. I'm just like mixing that in with this as well. So it can be like this indigo color. And now with this Anastasia Riviera palette, I'm going to be picking up this blue shade right here. This is called Seychelles. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's just this blue shade right here. I'm going to be popping that on the inner part of my lid. And I'm going to do a little thin winged liner. I'm going to take my Anastasia liquid liner. For lashes today, I'm going to be taking my V Beauty lashes in the style Sassy. I'll leave a link down below if you guys check those out. But I'm going to pop my lashes on off camera and I'll be okay. Now that the eyes are done, it's time to move on to the face. So for primer, I'm going to use a different primer because like I've been using the same primer every day. Let's change it up. I'm going to use the Cover FX blurring primer today. Then I'm going to spray my face with my ABH Dewy Set spray. We love her. We really do. So for foundation, of course, I'm going to use my Matte and Poreless from Maybelline in the shade 368 Deep Golden. Okay, for concealer, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Duh. I'm going to take just a little bit of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 46. To set my under eye concealer, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit in the shade Toasted. Blush, I'm going to take my H&B Cosmetics blush in the shade Oh So Snatched, which is this shade right here. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take... I'm going to take my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Liner in the shade Black. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and just smoke the lower lash line out. Okay, for the inner corner, I'm going to take that same blue that we put on the lids. Okay. Okay, for lips, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. And it's just Espresso from NYX, like always. Sorry about it. For gloss today, I'm going to take the shade Coquetta from Alamar Cosmetics. I'm going to take the shade Chula, which is like a lighter nude. I'm going to put that like right in the center. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be leaving all the products that I use in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all Makeup by Shania, and I'll see you guys in the next video.